This video covers creating volume models within Aviva Everything 3D 2.1. Open the training setup form and switch user to A Civilman with password A. Using the Model Explorer, add Zone Civil Area 01 to the 3D view. From the display group of the Tools tab, open the command window. Enter new :walkway / area 01 - walkways and press the return key. This creates a user-defined element with the base type VOLM. Close the command window. In the Modify group of the Home tab, open the Move Options list. Click Position to open the Explicit Position form. Enter West 318,000, North 302500 and up 100000. Click the Apply button to position the element, then close the form. Navigate to the Equipment tab and in the Defaults group set the default to Obstruction Volume and Soft. Select Extrusion from the Primitives gallery. Specify the first vertex at the origin. Use the coordinates provided to build the walkway primitive. Open the context editor and press the H key. Specify a height of 2600 mm. Rename the extrusion WW-01_1. Open the Graphics Settings form and set the Obstruction/Visibility Translucency to 50%. The newly created walkway is now displayed. Create walkway WW-01_2 explicitly using a box primitive and the dimensions provided.